set, go. Okay. Yeet. Hello guys. What's up? So I am back in my bathroom once again with the horrible lighting, horrible quality, horrible sound, horrible everything. So today I am going to be filming how I cut my hair. Let's get started. So first what I do, my hair is not clean, it's pretty dirty. So you just take your hair down and you brush it out. Make sure all of the knots are out. So you're going to need a few different hair ties. You need a big one and then some small ones. So first things first, you're going to take your big hair tie and flip all of your hair over like this. You take your brush and brush it all forward. And then you're going to put your hair in a ponytail at the front of your head. So the way I cut my dead ends is I cut it like a V shape. So when you see it in the back, it's going to be a V shape, not like straight line. Your hair is at the front of your head like this. You're going to tie it. So just like this. So the next step, you section it into two. Like that. Oh wait, I did this wrong. Oops. Okay, so what you do is you take your hair like this and you tie it, all of it at the bottom like this. So then what you're gonna do is cut off your dead ends. I kind of just put the hair tie where I want to cut it. It's not gonna be perfect, it's okay. So I'm cutting off this much. I don't know if you can tell how much that is, but it's quite a bit. And then you're just gonna cut in a straight line. Just like that. So now obviously it's going to be kind of jaggedy and whatnot. So now this is when you separate it into two. So take this hair tie, tie it off, and take this hair tie. So then you're going to take these two ponytails out. And then you're going to look at it like that. And I'm just going to feather it some more. Making sure there's not a harsh line or anything like that. Literally just going into the hair and just grabbing it and cutting. Very wrong technique, probably. The reason why I do this, and it looks straight here, but when you put it down, since it's in the front of your head, the front is going to be shorter and the back is going to be longer. Alright, so it looks pretty good. So now we're just going to take it down. And then we're going to smooth it out. And then just part it how you would usually part it. Okay. Brush it. So then we're going to take it to the front. So the back, I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's kind of like a V. We're into the front, and I kind of want it a little shorter. Blend it. Push it out. Same thing with this side. Once again, we're gonna go to the back. Make sure it looks okay. Yeah, it looks fine. Yeah, looks good. And then we're just gonna do the front. Just gonna, I don't know what this is called. Shearing it? I don't know. Like you can see, obviously this is long, this is shorter than this and this. Make sure it's even in the front. It's not a huge change, but just thought I would show you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Peace out, go, go. Chinchilla.